Oh, you like these strawberries, do ya? Do you want some more? Oh, you do? Oh. I think we found his favorite. Mm-hmm. Mmm. Oh, okay, hang on. What is that face for? Oh, okay, hang on. Briefly forgot about it. He's looking out the window. Oh, now we see the food again. Silly boy.